How do you run a kick-ass away day? How do you make it purposeful, fun, but productive? Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. So we've all been on away days where we've come away and gone, I haven't really got to know my colleagues. I don't really know why we did it, but it was okay. And you've gone back to the office and nothing has really changed. Well, at Let's Talk Talent, we like to think about away days in a simple 5-point plan. These 5 points give you the reason of why, what, how and who you need to involve in an away day. That's going to enable people to understand themselves, understand the team, and ultimately deliver the culture change, if that's your exam question, that you need to do. So what are these 5 points? Well, the first is around purpose. Think about the North Star. Why are you doing it? Is it because you are in the storming phase of your team and you need to bring them together? Is it that you've got new members of your team and you want to create that environment of trust and that collaboration? So think about that why at the start. The second is around environment. Create an environment where people can challenge. Don't spend loads of money on a really fun place. Don't go bowling. Well, you can go bowling. But at the end of the day, create an environment where people can be themselves and that it feels completely different from the office. So my top tip, do not do an away day in the office because everyone will be distracted. They'll be on their emails, they'll be on their phones, and you won't get the outcomes that you need. The third is balance. So balance is all about the balance between it being formal, so what are the things that you need to do, and fun. I'm not talking about forced fun, but fun where people can get to know each other. So are you using things like 16 personalities, for example? Are you doing coaching walks? But also you're doing a fireside chat with your MD, for example, or other members of the exec team, so that people understand why they're there and their place in that away day. Number 4 is schedule. Think about the scheduling of the day. When are you starting it? When are you ending it? Are you going to go out for dinner afterwards? But also think about how you're scheduling it during the year of activities. Do you want to think about it at the beginning of the year where you're setting priorities, or at the end of the year as a part of reward and recognition? And the number 5, you've guessed it, is follow-up. Now, most times I've been on an away day, I've come away with 20 different actions. Now, I'm not just talking about the tangible actions, because you will want to create those, but it's the follow-up events. So it's the cadence of team meetings. It may be one-to-ones. What's going to be different as a result of it? Are you going to do another one in 6 months' time or in a year's time? How are you going to hold each other accountable? So follow-up is the really important end step. So those are the 5 tips that you need to follow. And I promise you, if you follow them, it's going to be super kick-ass. So you know now how to create a kick-ass away day. What are your thoughts? Have you got anything else that you want to share? What are your ideas? I'd love to hear them. Leave us some comments and feedback below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.